Today, we will learn about Mr. Potato Head and the 5 senses. Today, you will learn the similarities between Mr. Potato Head and yourself.
Someone need a hand?
Oh, where's my nose? Here it is.
It's your arm. Honey, the mustache?
Just like you, Mr. Potato Head can use his hands to touch. Think about when you use your hands to play with water beads. How does it feel? It's slippery and slimy. They even slide right through your fingers. Just like you, Mr. Potato Head can use his eyes to see. Now take a moment to use your eyes and look at the following video. What colors do you see? I see red and blue and pink and white and shades of black. Just like you, Mr. Potato Head has ears to listen or hear with. Now I want you to use your ears to listen to the music. Listen to the different sounds. These are called tones. Some are higher, some are lower. Listen. Just like you, Mr. Potato Head has a nose to smell things with. Next time you come across a flower, be sure to use your nose to smell it. Breathe in, breathe out. Just like you, Mr. Potato Head has a tongue to taste with. Next time you eat your favorite food, be sure to remember that you are using your tongue to taste the different flavors. Cheese tastes different than lettuce. Lettuce tastes different than tomatoes. Good job, everyone. While watching this video, you were able to think about your 5 senses. Not only were you able to think about your 5 senses, you were able to use 2 out of 5 of them. You were able to use your eyes to see the visual colors, and you were able to use your ears to hear the music. Now take a moment to watch this video. Think about the sounds. Think about the sights. Think about what you could possibly smell. If you were able to drink the water, how it would taste. And if you were able to touch the rocks, how rough they would feel.
Oh, that's beautiful. That's a beautiful movie. Okay,
Good job, everyone.